here's our valve, check valve, going in the right direction. We have our mark on the pipe there to cut it. We have our pipe mark right there. It's ready to go. All we got to do is pump it down, cut it, put it in, weld it, fire it back up. This right here will be a thing of the past. So right now is the time that you sort of take a break, go have a cigarette, go have some food, take a quick break. You want to inform the manager of the store, director, of what you're doing, that the system's going to be down for maybe an hour, like a long defrost. You want to go over to the controller and you want to take everything out of defrost right now before you start pumping it down, so everything has a chance to cool down and stay cold. So it's colder while you're shutting this down and welding it back in. And also you want to call up monitoring and anybody else who might be watching temperatures and calling in alarms and informing them that you're going to be shutting it down so they don't panic on their side when they see things starting to turn red. You can see the inside of the weld there. You want to make sure you scrape all the flux down inside there so there's nothing in there that could possibly get hung up on the plunger for this check valve. Okay, break time.